Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or stream music through the Bluetooth Sync 3 system in this 2017 Ford Focus. It will, if it's set up right, it will stream audio off Spotify, off YouTube, off Amazon Music, and also iTunes. On this particular demonstration, I'll just show you iTunes. So if I go to my iTunes account now, if I go, well, it's called Music now, it used to be called iTunes. So it's turned down, but you see at the bottom there, Ford Focus. If I click on that, there's a tick next to Ford Focus. If for any reason it's not and it's next to iPhone, just press on Ford Focus and that's it. And then we'll go back to the song. We go over to the audio unit and you'll see there audio. If it's on anything else, we'll just, on navigation, we'll click onto audio. And you'll see there, that's the radio. So if I turn this up now, that's the radio playing. So we click sources, it's on FM, hence the radio playing. CD, DAB, AM, but we want Barry's iPhone here. So if I click on Barry's iPhone, it's now showing me the record that's playing on my phone. And if I turn this up, that's what will play on here. So if I turn this up, then turn this up. So that's it, that's how you play music. If for any reason you're not getting the correct volume or it won't turn up loud enough on this, just turn your phone up and then that also maximizes the volume on this system. That's how you do it.